It's a box of Echeverias from Leaf and Clay. Evie and I are going to open them up and see what we have. Join us. Liquid Amber Girl Gardening. Okay, baby girl. Let's see what we've got here. Ooh. Oh, this is Echeveria Cubic Frost. So pretty. I bet you like it because it's pink. Yeah. We're on the stairs again, so there's just a lot of noise in our house, in the living room, dining room area, and also this has really good light. What do you got there? Oh, something pretty. Oh, that's of course Echeveria Pearl von Nuremberg. Whoa, what's that? Somebody else is in there with her. Is that Chroma? I think that's Chroma, Echeveria Chroma. Pretties. Oh, Matilda. Okay, what's next? Oh, that is Echeveria gibifolia, I think. Gibifolia. I can't remember. It's blue curls. My favorite, actually. My favorite Echeveria. That's a pretty one. What's left in here? Well, I've just got some more stuff left. That was a good sized one too.
Is this from Leaf and Clay?
Uh-huh, of course. Oh, Tilly. Got a phone call in the middle of filming, so let's continue. That is, who is that? That's a pretty one. I'm not sure. Oh, maybe abalone. That's a pretty one though, whatever it is. Okay, what else do you have in there? Something. Oh, that's woolly rose. You can tell just because it's so fuzzy and cute. Oh, very nice. Still have a couple more left. You're doing good, little girl. Oh, there's Lola. I always love Echeveria Lola. She's a pretty one. And that is Echeveria Irish Mint. It has these really pretty little leaves that are kind of bent and pointing upwards. I like that one. That's a good one. Okay, that looks like a blue night, I think. Echeveria Blue Night. Pretty, very nice. Oh, blue prints. Why am I saying blue night? Very blue prints. There's Black Night. That's where I had night in my mind. Echeveria Black Night. Look at that stunner. That is so beautiful. Evie, good job.
Thank you.
High five. All right.
There we go.
Thanks for helping me.